Hey guys, this is Nathan with AMR Creative, and today I want to share with you this solar-powered robot kit. The company went ahead and sent us one of these for review, so let's get started. Alright, some really cool features about this. First off, you don't need any batteries. It's powered by the sun. So this comes with solar panels that makes your robot work without any batteries. That's huge. That's a cost saver right there. I like that. Another cool thing, you have 12 different robots that you can build with this kit. 12 different configurations, so it's always going to be a fresh toy for you and your kids. So this is also a STEM product as well, so very popular. Everybody knows what STEM is. And overall, it's really cool. I can't wait to start building it and having some fun with me and my kiddo.
This kit was so much fun. We ended up putting together the three-wheel robot, and our son absolutely loved it. He loves seeing it in action. We found the instructions to be very easy to understand, and all of the parts that came with it, we found them to be laid out really well and very simple to understand. And the actual robot is adorable, and once it hit the sun outside, it worked great, and we just had so much fun with this kit. So if you know somebody who's into science or robots, this would make a really great gift. And once you actually take the robot outside and it hits the sun and it starts working, it's so much fun and so exciting.